All right, it's Monday, January 26th. I'm buying some Apple, 245 calls at 10:53. This is here essentially as bar number one is about to break out here on bar number two to the upside. It moved up green, nice gap up here, one of the stronger stocks out of the gate. Wanted to pause a little bit, before, and now it's working green to break out of bar number one, which should set the up structure on the day. What I see here is three inside bars on the daily chart breaking to the upside. So this has a target initially up to here. In the 254 area type of thing. If it wants to fail, it would come back through the open of the week here, which is today's open, and get back to the midpoint of these three bars, and which is kind of the low of the day. So if that happens, it's an inside bar failure. You'd expect those lows to be tested. However, I like on the weekly chart the way it took out these lows down here on this, recent move down, and that could be a good turning point if it wants to. Obviously, after this red bar with a little bit of a buying tail, we're starting green to start the week. So if we can get a two-up week and this can pinball this little move right here to some of these first targets, then the weekly chart then starts having a target up to 260, and the whole stock could reverse back to the upside after like a 2-month pullback. So that's what I'm looking for here on the 15-minute chart. It's the start of a potential reversal to the upside in Apple, and I want to buy the call options right here as it's breaking out on bar one. And again, as long as it holds kind of this inside bar, these 3-bar breakout, and we can trigger the weekly chart, then we start having targets above.